Ever grappled with a stubborn jar lid? Or found yourself flummoxed by the perplexing puzzle that is a fitted sheet? Well, fear not, for today we delve into the world of life hacks that no one uses, but probably should. Kickstarting our journey, picture a jar of pickles. It's taunting you, isn't it? The lid's on tighter than a miser's purse strings. You could strain your wrist, or you could use a spoon. Just wedge it under the lid and give a gentle lever. Pop, the lid's off quicker than a politician changes their promises. Now let's tackle the dreaded fitted sheet. You've tried rolling it, stuffing it in a drawer, maybe even considered burning it in frustration, but have you tried origami? Yes, you heard it right. Fold it like a paper crane and you'll have a neat square package. Not only will your linen closet thank you, but you'll also gain bragging rights at your next dinner party. Moving on, we've all been victims of the ever-disappearing pen. It's there one moment and gone the next. But fear not, there's a hack for that too. Attach a jingle bell to it. Yes, you might sound like Santa's sleigh every time you write, but at least you'll always know where your pen is. Next up, the pesky problem of dust. It's everywhere, isn't it? Well, why not take a leaf out of the static electricity book, inflate a balloon, rub it on your hair, and watch as dust clings to it. It's a fun way to clean, and hey, you might even discover a new hairstyle in the process. And lastly, ever spilled something on your keyboard and spent the next hour picking out crumbs? Well, post-it notes aren't just for reminders. Run the sticky edge through your keyboard and voila! It's like a mini vacuum cleaner without the noise or the hassle. So there you have it, life hacks that are just as funny as they are useful. From jar opening spoons to balloon dusters, these tricks may not be conventional, but they sure are effective. And who knows, they might even add a dash of laughter to your day. Remember, life doesn't always have to be a struggle. Sometimes all you need is a spoon, a balloon, or a post-it note to make things a little easier. And a good chuckle, of course. Until the next video, keep hacking your life one laugh at a time. See you then.